Hey everyone, this is Brian Lee coming to you from On the Level, powered by Metro Home Improvement. Today's podcast, we're going to talk about a few things that are critical when choosing a contractor. So in the state of Michigan, for you to have a contractor come in your home and do work on your home, they must have a license. So either it's a residential builder's license or it's a maintenance and alterations contractor's license, which would be specific to what they're doing. 9 out of 10 contractors will have that residential builder's license. That's giving you a peace of mind knowing that they've taken the time to take the test and they should be experienced in what they're doing. Secondly, you want to make sure that that contractor has liability insurance. So a typical liability policy is a blanket policy that'll cover you in case anything were to happen on your home or in your home while that contractor's there performing work. And last but not least, a lot of companies have salesmen who work for them. At Metro, we don't have salesmen. I'm the only person that physically goes out to the homes and talks to the homeowners and puts the work together. So we don't have a salesperson. However, there are many companies who employ salespeople. And unfortunately, a lot of them don't have licenses. The salesperson also has to have a license issued to them by the state of Michigan, meaning they have to study, take a test, and they have to have a license to be able to come into your home and sell home improvement to you. So when you have that contractor out to your home or the representative of the contractor who may be a salesperson, a couple of key things to ask for. Number one, is your company licensed? Number two, do you folks have liability insurance? And if so, what are your policy limits on your liability? Can you show those to me? Number three, are you as a representative of the company, are you licensed as a salesperson in the home improvement industry to be able to come out and sell home improvement to me or to talk to me about home improvement? These are three things that you must have, because an unlicensed salesperson can do you more damage than do good for you. Because what if they sold you something that can't be built, or they get you involved in a project or a contract and you're stuck? These are all key items that will help you, the homeowner, out in the long run. Even if the salesperson that comes to your home claims to have a license, you should ask to see the pocket card. We as residential builders and licensed salespeople must have the license on us at all times. If that salesman cannot produce that or says, I have one, don't worry about it, that's a red flag. You should be able to see that license, and they should be proud to display it to you because they've taken the time to study, take the test, and then get that license. If you have an unlicensed salesperson in your home, folks, I would not let them do business with me, just for the sheer fact that they haven't taken that time, number one. And number two, you're not protected if that person doesn't have a salesperson's license. So folks, when you're seeking a contractor, use those three items that I just spoke about as ammo and call out companies like ourselves at Metro Home Improvement. We do everything you can possibly imagine. If it's from putting in a doorbell to building a new home and everything in between. And I guarantee you, we're licensed, we are insured, and we're also a bondable company. And another thing, if that person is in your home and they are trying to sell you something for the respective company that they work for, it's illegal if they don't have that salesperson's license, number one. And number two, if you were to sign a contract with them, they can only earn $600 per Michigan law. So just think about that. When you go to purchase a job and it were $10,000, $600 by law is all that they can make from you because they don't have the proper licensing. So take the time, do your homework, and make sure you're making the right decision when it comes to remodeling your home. Please make sure that you take the time to like, comment, and subscribe to our page on YouTube. Go to our Instagram page and also our Facebook feeds. You'll get more content uploaded weekly, daily. As soon as it comes in, we get it out there as fast as possible. Looking forward to seeing you all in the future.